Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Wins World TV. So undefeated knockout artist na si Gervonta Tank Davis binatikos si 2 World Division Champion Timothy Bradley, matapos mapabilang ni Timothy Bradley sa International Boxing Hall of Fame. Ayon kay Gervonta Tank Davis ay basura daw umano ang desisyon na isama itong si Timothy Bradley sa International Boxing Hall of Fame. Dagdag pa ni Tank Davis ay hindi daw karapat-dapat si Timothy Bradley na mapabilang dito. Narinig at napanood naman ni Timothy Bradley ang banat ni Tank Davis. Kaya binanatan din ni Timothy Bradley itong si Gervonta Tank Davis. Ayon sa kanya ay wala daw siyang magagawa at pakialam kung yan ang paniniwala ni Gervonta Tank Davis. Kaya ito daw ang masasabi niya kay Gervonta Tank Davis. Ayon kay Timothy Bradley ang lahat ng nakalaban ni Gervonta Tank Davis ay kayang-kaya niya itong talunin at patumbahin. Dagdag pa ni Bradley ay kakayanin kaya ni Gervonta Tank Davis talunin ang mga boksingero na kanyang nakalaban sa ibabaw ng boxing ring. Tulad ni Juan Manuel Marquez.
In the ninth round. Nice uppercut. Oh, he's gonna hurt him. There's the draw, here he comes. He nails him.
Me that it was the greatest mistake of his life.
Mistake if he wants to win the fan. He's had his moments and I still think he's done enough to win this round.
Oh, here he goes. They crossed him, and he almost dropped it. How about that? Don't forget.
By split decision,
Joel Casamayor, Brandon Reyes, at marami pang iba, lahat ng nabanggit na naging kalaban ni Bradley ay mga lehitimong mga world champion.
These are hard punches. The punches is taking a toll on Bradley, I assure you. The punches, he's ready to go again. Bradley's all over.
Kung ating ikumpara ang mga nakatapat ni Gervonta Tank Davis at Timothy Bradley ay walang-wala pa sa kalingkingan sa mga nakatapat ni Timothy Bradley ang mga nakatapat ni Gervonta Tank Davis. Alam naman ng karamihan na si Manny Pacquiao lang ang bukod-tanging nakatalo kay Bradley. Dagdag pa sa ating mga balita, ngayong ganap na 4 World Division Champion na si Naoya Inoue aka the Japanese Monster ng bansang Japan. Ay binahagi na niya ang kanyang mga sunod na plano dito, ayon sa kanya ay gusto niya maging undisputed sa susunod niyang papasukin na division, ayon kay Naoya Inoue na sa oras na magdesisyon na siya na umakyat ng division, ay tuluyan na itong magpapalam sa Super Bantamweight Division, kaya malapit na siya umakyat ng Featherweight Division at plano niya na maging undisputed World Champion sa Featherweight Division. Ito ang top 5 na mga dekalibre na boksingero sa featherweight division. Mirko Cuello, ng bansang Argentina, may record na 14 wins 11 knockout, walang talo.
Que Cuello es mucho más. Y ahí está. Gancho y es mucho más. Llega la bomba, llega la bomba, llega la bomba, llega la bomba. La mete Mirko. Izquierda.
Rafael Espinoza, may record na 25 wins, 21 knockouts, walang talo.
Just huge. Is that a knockdown? It was! Very strange way for Laurel to go.
Athletic enough to do it. He's really good.
They caught him again, coming in, and down goes Laurel for the second time in the door. Rafael! El Divino!
Luis Alberto Lopez, ng bansang Mexico, may record na 30 wins 17 knockouts at may 3 talo.
Turning the tide and stop the onslaughts of Lopez. Like that, slide up right up, followed up by a solid body shot. Oh my goodness! From Conlan down, and the towel has come in. Adam Booth hurled the towel into the ring, and he's on the canvas and doesn't really know where he is.
Ray Vargas, ng bansang Mexico, na may record na 36 wins 22 knockouts at 1 talo. At ang top 1 ay si Leigh Wood, na may record na 28 wins 17 knockouts at 3 talo.
How many fights you'll be the man who answers at this level of stuff? I wanted the mind as much as with the body. Oh, trouble here!
Kakayanin kaya ni Naoya Inoue ang lakas ng mga boksingero sa featherweight division, makukuha niya kaya maging undisputed sa division na ito? Just comment down below. Thank you for watching. Salamat sa inyong panunood. This is Winsworld TV. Saying peace, love and good vibes lang tayo lagi, okay, alright.